बोलो बांके बिहारी लाल की जय। बोलो श्री कृष्णचंद्र भगवान की जय। जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण एवरीवन, जय श्रीमन नारायण। Welcome once more to Triveni Mandir Nitya Ravivar Satsang. Let us all join in Shri Krishna Chandra Bhagavan Avahanam Prarthana Stuti as we begin our pravachan this morning. Om Satchidananda Rupaya Vishwotpadya Dihetave तापत्रय विनाशाय श्री कृष्णाय वयं नुमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। जय जय श्री राधारमण, जय जय नवल किशोर, जय गोपी चितचोर प्रभु, जय जय माखन चोर। बोलो बंसी वाले की, बोलो श्री कृष्णचंद्र भगवान की, बोलो श्री वृंदावन धाम की जय। मन वाणी को पावन करने के लिए सभी मिलकर के भगवान श्री कृष्ण की संकीर्तन करें मेरे साथ। Let us all join in the bhajan kirtan of Bhagavan Shri Krishna. ब्रज जन प्रियतम बाल मुकुंदम राधारमणं हरे हरे, राधारमणं हरे हरे।
ब्रज जन प्रियतम बाल मुकुंदम राधारमणं हरे हरे,
ब्रज जन प्रियतम बाल मुकुंदम राधारमणं हरे हरे, राधारमणं हरे हरे। केसर तिलकं कृष्ण वर्णं, केसर तिलकं राधारमणं हरे हरे, राधारमणं राधारमणं हरे हरे। ब्रज जन प्रियतम बाल मुकुंदम राधारमणं हरे हरे, राधारमणं हरे हरे। वेणुकृतनादम् आनंद अपारं वेणुकृतनादम् राधारमणं हरे हरे राधारमणं हरे हरे राजतवनमालं रूपरसानं राधारमणं हरे हरे ओ जय जय राधारमण प्यारो राधारमण जय जय राधारमण प्यारो राधारमण ओ जय जय राधारमण प्यारो राधारमण जय जय राधारमण प्यारो राधा जय जय राधारमण प्यारो राधारमण जय जय राधारमण प्यारो राधा ओ जय जय राधारमण प्यारो राधारमण 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 प्यारो राधारमण जय जय राधारमण प्यारो राधारमण ओ जय जय राधारमण प्यारो राधारमण प्यारो राधारमण एक बार प्रेम से बोलिए जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे श्याम बोलो बांके बिहारी लाल की बोलो कृष्णचंद्र भगवान की जय श्रीमद् भागवत महापुराण से इन द 5th स्कंद पंचम स्कंद से भगवान श्री कृष्णा भगवान श्री विष्णु takes his avatar as Rishabh Bhagavan. How many of you have ever heard the Leela of Bhagavan Shri Rishabh Maharaj? Raise your hands. None of you? Nobody has heard this katha before. चलिए आज थोड़ा बहुत सुना देते हैं. We'll tell you a little bit about him. We told you about Prithu Bhagavan, who was also a partial incarnation of Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. Bhagavan Shri Rishabh, he was also such an incarnation of Bhagavan Shri Vishnu at a time on Prithvi Lok when this knowledge known as Sankhya Yoga was not present. Bhagavan ne vichar kiye, Sankhya Yoga is very important for understanding the basic foundations of Satya Sanatan Dharma. Sankhya Yoga, devotees, this is something that we can go very deeply and speak very, very long about. Very briefly today I will tell you, Sankhya Yoga explores the eternal nature of Dharma, the eternal nature of Bhagavan, and the eternal nature of your Atma. Many of you would have heard verses from Srimad Bhagavad Gita, especially in the 2nd chapter, where Bhagavan Shri Krishna, for the modern age of Kali Yuga, he will also tell you about Sankhya Yoga. But today, from the lips of Rishabh Bhagavan, when he has completed his mission, he ruled for many years in Prithvi Lok. As he is about to leave this world, he calls all of his sons together, he calls all of his citizens of his kingdom together, and he tells them, I'm going to give you one final upadesh, one final message. बहुत ध्यान से सुनिए। नायम देहो देह बाजाम नृलोके कष्टान कामान अर्हते वीरभुजाम ये तपो दिव्यम पुत्रकाये न सत्वम शुद्ध्येद्यस्मात् ब्रह्म सौख्यम त्वनंतम ब्रह्म सौख्यम त्वनंतम। Rishabh Bhagavan, firstly, he tells everyone, this human birth that you've been blessed with, ये जो मनुष्य शरीर, नायम देहो देह भाजाम नलोके. Many people think that, many people tell you that this is all Maya, this is all fake, this is all an illusion, but you do not understand the concept of Maya. It is not that this is a fake world that we are living in. This world is very much real. When you go to sleep and you have a dream, that is a fake world. And how real does it feel when you are experiencing it? So this is a real world. Rishabh Bhagavan कहते हैं, understand that ये भगवान का घर है. This is the home of Bhagavan. When you go to mandir, some people say ये मंदिर भगवान का घर है. ये मान्यता है. This belief is there. We have our home. Bhagavan resides in our home. But mandir is special because Bhagavan is not residing in someone's home. This is Bhagavan's home. That is why we dress differently, we behave differently, we speak differently, we keep fast when we come to mandir, because we believe this is Bhagavan's home. Rishabh Bhagavan कहते हैं, this entire Prithvi Lok is the home of Bhagavan. And he has been kind enough to reward us with this human body. And giving us this human body, tapo divyam putraka yena sattvam. Today I tell you the truth of the purpose of this human body. It is not to come and to enjoy the material things in this world. Rishabh Bhagavan ne कहते हैं, Brahma Sokhyam Tvanantam. Many people ask this question, जीवन का उद्देश्य क्या है? What is the main purpose of life? The main purpose of life, बंधुओं, हम सब आत्मा है. जीवन का परम उद्देश्य है परमात्मा को जानो. We are all different sparks of divinity, and the main goal of life is to get to know Bhagavan, to get to understand Him. And after you understand Him, Brahma Saukyam Tvanantam, then you can get closer to Him. Mahat Sevam Dvaramahur Mukteshwaramo Dwaram Yoshitam Sangi Sangam. Rishabh Bhagavan कहते हैं, there are many different types of people in the world, and many people do not engage in spirituality, but Mahat Seva, those who engage in dharam, those who engage in spirituality, today this message is for them. Understand that Sankhya Yoga is very high philosophy. You do not go to grade 3 and grade 4 and teach those children calculus. You have to teach them how to do multiplication and long division first. So this Sankhya Yoga, maybe you will feel like it is not applicable to me in this stage of life. But if you follow the path of dharma at some part of your life, maybe when you're a little bit older, this Sankhya Yoga will be very important for you. Yeva maishe krita sodritartha janeshu deham bharavartikeshu. Rishabh Bhagavan कहते हैं, this sharir, this body is only a tool to be used by the Atma for his stay in Prithvi Lok. We have many tools in your life. Your phone is a tool, your car is a tool, even your home is a tool. They exist to serve you for a limited time, maybe in a certain place. This sharir, idam manusham shariram, this is also a tool, devotees. It has been given to you by Bhagavan as a gift. This Prithvi Lok has been given to you by Bhagavan as a gift. He rewards you for the karma that you have done and for the devotion you have showed Him in the past. वो आपको याद नहीं है, You do not remember that. The childhood days of the son are known to the parents. But the children do not know the childhood days of the parents. They did not see that time. That does not mean it did not happen. So Bhagavan, He knows your past, He knows your present, and He has an idea of your future as well. This is a gift that He has given you. Many people like to say in Guyana, how do you say it? The past, the present is a gift. That's why they call it a present. A lot of uncles like to say that, but it sounds nice when they say it in their Guyanese accent. Rishabh Bhagavan कहते हैं, ये भगवान का दान है. Many people wonder, we are living our entire life offering prasad, offering milk, offering panchamrit, offering prayers. What is Bhagavan giving us? He has already given you, even before you started to pray to Him. Yavat kriyastvavadidam manovai karmatmakam yena sharir bandha. The ironic thing about this human body, Rishabh Bhagavan कहते हैं, is that Bhagavan has given you this body for a certain purpose, as a gift, for you to enjoy and for you to become closer to Him. But this instrument becomes the purpose of your misery. This human body, this sharir, when you do not understand how to use it, it becomes the source of your yena sharira bandha. It becomes the source of your bandhan. Bandhan means bondage. Many times when I speak to you, I don't say bhaiyo, behno. I say Jai Shri Krishna bandhuo, bandhu. Bandhu has a simple meaning. It means friends or relatives. Lekin bandhu also means who is also bound. तो हम भी हमारे ऊपर भी बंधन है, आपके ऊपर भी बंधन है. All of us are bound. All of us bound to this human sharir. All of us are bound to this Prithvi Lok. Rishabh Bhagavan कहते हैं, as you progress in life, now I will tell you the secret of how to slowly start to detach from this bondage, so that when you are ready to leave this world, you will truly be free. One of the names of Bhagavan Shri Krishna is Mukunda. Mukunda means जो आपको मुक्ति दे सकते हैं, the one who gives you freedom. Bhagavan does not want that after your life is finished on this world, you're in a worse position than when you started. He wants you to keep moving forward, to keep elevating. So Bhagavan Rishabhji tells us, Sarvatra jantor vyasanavagatya jigyasaya tapaseha nivritya matkarma bharamat kathaya chanityam madev sangad gunakirtanan me. Rishabh Bhagavan कहते हैं, and he is going to tell you very plainly, there are no hidden messages. Bhagavan साफ साफ आपको बताते हैं how you should live this life, what you should do in this world if you wish for release at the time of death. Otherwise, मृत्यु भी आपके लिए बंधन बन सकता है. Even death can become another form of bondage when you have to come again. Rishabh Bhagavan कहते हैं, सर्वत्र जंतोर. First thing you have to know, Ishwar sarvatra vartate. I am present everywhere. Knowing that I am present all over this universe, you have to adore me. You have to perform my puja. Bhagavan has given you all of the prayers, all of the dharma shastra, all of the knowledge you need to offer prayers to Him, to do seva to Him. Even if you do not know Vedas, even if you do not know any Sanskrit prayers, everyone knows Hanuman Chalisa, yes? Everyone knows some bhajan you can sing. So no one has an excuse in the morning not to give some adoration to Bhagavan Sri Ram, Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Sadashiv Shankar Bhagavan. And then even if you do not know to read the mantras, still you can memorize these prayers. We teach little children in Bal Shiksha. Some of these children are 5, 6, 7 years old and they can't read. That's because I think during COVID their parents didn't teach them how to read. I'm very surprised. And these same children, if you ask them, they will chant the prayers for you. Vakradunda, Mahakaya, Suryakoti, Samaprabha. If you place that prayer in front of them, they will look at you and say, I don't know how to read, Panditji. but they memorize the prayers. So when they can memorize these prayers, what excuse do we have? Adhyatma yogena vivikwasevaya pranendriyat bhabijayena sadyaka. Rishabh Bhagavan कहते हैं, having prayers as a fundamental part of your life, then you have to slowly start to control your senses. Rishabh Bhagavan tells us the difference between mankind and animals. मनुष्य और पशु के बीच में क्या अंतर है? Animals do not have intellect. Humans have intellect. We have Medhavi Shakti, that gift from Mata Saraswati, where we can think for ourselves, we can make intelligent actions. An animal is hungry, he sees the food in front of him, he is going to eat that food. A man or a woman is hungry and they see this food in front of them, they see someone starving next to them, they can make that decision. Instead of me taking this food for myself, let me feed this person first. Then I will look to take care of myself. This is called Medhavi Shakti. Rishabh Bhagavan कहते हैं, this can only happen when you have more control over your senses. Panch Indriya, 5 senses, 5 sense organs. Together they are called the Dasa Indriya. Rishabh Bhagavan कहते हैं, whoever follows the path of dharma, whoever prays to me, sing these bhajans, I make this knowledge available to them. You are here today not because of an accident. You are here, there are many mandirs you can go to, but Bhagavan sees your devotion. He sees your shraddha. He sees your prem, vishwas. And He places you in an environment where you will get to hear the right katha. If you only wish to sing His bhajans, then He will place you in Mataji Chonki. If you only wish to sing Sundarakand, He will place you in Sundarakand also. But when He sees that, is bhakta ke andar, ye jigyasa hai. This devotee wishes to learn more about me, more about Satya Sanatan Dharam, then he will put you in satsang, where someone is giving a pravachan, someone is giving upadesh, and where you'll be able to hear a few words from his Dharma Shastra. Sarvatra madbhava vichakshanena jnanena vijnana virajitena karmashayam mridya granthi bandhama vidya आसद्दि मुत्तमपुप्रमेतः. ऋषभ भगवान कहते हैं, सर्वत्र मद्भाव विचक्षसेन. He tells all of his subjects who were there, when you have more control over your senses, more control over this sharir, over your atma, then you reach the next stage where you will perform a little bit tapasya, you will perform a little bit meditation, sadhana towards me, when you will fix your mind on me. Knowing that I am everywhere, sarvatra madbhava, seeing me in everything, seeing me everywhere, those devotees reach a very high stage of bhakti. And when they reach this stage of bhakti, putram sa shishyans chandrepo gurarva, do not think that this is anything difficult for you to do. Rishabh Bhagavan कहते हैं, the blood and the DNA of the rishis and saints and sages from the beginning of time flow through you today. And if you put your mind to it, you can also be on this path of dharam the same way they were on this path. And the kripa of Bhagavan Shri Vishnu can reach you in the same way. In Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan Shri Krishna also tells us the same thing. Avinashi tu tadvidhi. When he tells Arjuna, the soul is completely eternal. Avinashi hai. Even when this body will go, vasanti jirnani yatha vihaya, the same way you change your clothing, this atma will change its sharir and come again and again and again. Rishabh Bhagavan कहते हैं, understanding this Sankhya Yoga, this is one of the last stages when you will have your evolution as a devotee of God. One of the most important things Rishabh Bhagavan says, when you're trying to make someone happy, when you're trying to make Bhagavan happy, then you have to do things that he likes. You have to say things that he likes. Rishabh Bhagavan कहते हैं, idam shariram mama durvibhavyam सत्वं हि मे हृदयं यत्र धर्मः पृष्ठे कृतो मे यद धर्म आराध अतो हि मामृषभं प्रहुराया। वृषभ भगवान कहते इदम शरीरम मम दुर्विभाव्यम। Understand that Bhagavan has given you a very beautiful sharir that resembles him as well. In the Bible there is a line that God created man in his own image. That is a true statement. Bhagavan does not look different from us. When you see these pictures of Bhagavan Sri Ram, Bhagavan Sadashiv, Shankara, Bhagavan, they have the same form, the same roop. How Bhagavan looks, he has created us in the same way. Except obviously when he has multiple heads and multiple hands, he cannot give us that kind of power yet. So Bhagavan has given us a simplified version of his form. And he tells us that Mama Durvibhavyam Sattvam, in my heart resides truth. Truth resides in my heart. Bhagavan Rishabh says, Bhagavan ko Satya bahut priya hai. Truth is very important to him. Those who have a true personality, those who have a true way of thinking, those who understand ki Param Satya kya hai, Bhagavan says, those people are automatically more close to me. And then, when you are truthful in life, you will by default follow the path of Satya Sanatan Dharam. Rishabh Bhagavan says, following the path of Dharam, I bless them with Sukham, Sampatti, Aishwaryam. I give them happiness, I give them wealth, I give them Arogyata, I give them health, long life, I give them wisdom, I give them children, and I let them enjoy this world with the promise that when they have finished their life, then they will leave everything behind. Us param sattva ko pehchan karke, realizing what is the true nature of this universe, they return to me. All of the happiness that you have in your lives, devotees, I explained this concept to you many times. There is temporary happiness and permanent happiness. Permanent happiness comes only and only from Bhagavan, only from the divine. Tejo Maya, Arudha Amritamaya, Anandamaya, Nijdham, Shobhamaya, Rasamamaya, Sukhad, Shri Vrindavan Dham. Shri Vrindavan Dham. The saints and sages say, for those who cannot feel this connection to Bhagavan Shri Krishna, to those who cannot feel this connection to Bhagavan Shri Vishnu, even after listening to his katha, do we have a solution for you? You have to buy a plane ticket, get your tourist visa, and visit Bharat Desh, and visit Shri Vrindavan Dham. If you feel this love without going to Vrindavan to aur badhiya hai, it means you already have this connection to Bhagavan. But if you have been listening to Katha your entire life, and you feel like you have heard everything, and still this prem, this love, this devotion is not being awoken inside of your heart, that is why Bhagavan has placed these Tirtha Sthan in Prithvi Lok. And Vrindavan Dham, devotees, that place exists for those who wish to be close to Bhagavan Shri Krishna. How many of you have been to Vrindavan? Raise your hands. Not many. How many of you plan to visit Vrindavan before you die? Raise your hands. How do you know you'll get there? Every time you open your eyes in the morning, devotees, it is a gift from Bhagavan. That is why it's called the present. Oh, kya baat. I remember the line. But there is no guarantee you'll open your eyes tomorrow. That is why I'm telling you, if you have health, if you have wealth and you have strength, make the time to visit these Tirtha Sthan. Visit these most special places to Bhagavan. And if you cannot visit these places, then just remember one thing. Kaam karte raho, naam japte raho, har samay Krishna ka dhyan dharte chalo. Murli wale ko man se rijhate chalo. मुरली वाले को मन से रिझाते चलो कृष्ण गोविंद गोपाल गाते चलो, काम करते चलो. Even as you are performing your work, think of Bhagavan, call his name. Hey Govardhan Nath, hey Narayan, hey Bhagavan Shiv. नाम जपते रहो, chant his name constantly in your mind. हर समय कृष्ण का ध्यान धरते चलो. Try to remember Bhagavan many times throughout the day. And then when you think of him constantly, when you think of him all of the time, मुरली वाले को मन से रिझाते चलो, you will find yourself humming the bhajans of Bhagavan Shri Krishna. You will find yourself singing his prayers. Krishna Govinda Gopal Gaate Chalo. Bolo Shri Krishna Chandra Bhagavan ki Jai. Bolo Rishabh Bhagavan ki Jai. Rishabh Bhagavan, as he will expound his teachings in Prithvi Lok, the followers of Rishabh Bhagavan will create a dharma called Jainism. This is the source of Jaina Dharma. You've heard of this religion before. It's a very powerful, very peaceful religion. Rishabh Bhagavan is the source of Jainism in Prithvi Lok. Bolo Rishabh Bhagavan ki, Bolo Satya Sanatana Dharma ki Jai. Let us conclude our katha this morning by singing one more bhajan to Bhagavan Shri Krishna. जो तू मिटाना चाहे जीवन की कृष्णा, जो तू मिटाना चाहे जीवन की तृष्णा, सुबह शाम बोल बंदे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा, सुबह शाम बोल बंदे
कृष्ण कृष्ण कृष्ण,
जो तू मिटाना चाहे जीवन की तृष्णा,
जीवन की कृष्णा,
सुबह शाम बोल बंदे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा, सुबह शाम बोल बंदे. Rishabh Bhagavan, whatever he has been telling us in these Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran shlokas, this bhajan is also telling you, जीवन का तृष्णा को मिटाने के लिए, all you have to do is remember the name of Bhagavan Shri Krishna. Krishna नाम पावन पावन, कृष्ण नाम प्यारा प्यारा, जो न बोले कृष्णा कृष्णा जग में हारा हारा. जो न बोले कृष्णा कृष्णा
जग में हारा हारा,
मन का मिटे अंधियारा बोले कृष्ण कृष्णा, मन का मिटे अंधियारा बोले कृष्णा कृष्णा, सुबह शाम बोल बंदे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा, सुबह शाम बोल बंदे कृष्ण कृष्ण कृष्णा. जो तू मिटाना चाहे जीवन की तृष्णा, जो तू मिटाना चाहे जीवन की तृष्णा, सुबह शाम बोल बंदे
कृष्ण कृष्ण कृष्ण,
सुबह शाम बोल बंदे कृष्ण कृष्ण कृष्णा, सुबह शाम बोल बंदे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा. बोल बांके बिहारी लाल की, बोलो श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की, बोल ऋषभ भगवान की जय. Firstly, we would like to say thank you to Yajman, Rajini, Pillai and family. Let's give them a round of applause. They have chosen